Welcome to our exploration of ethical considerations in academic research, particularly within the fields of nursing and midwifery. Understanding these principles is essential for conducting responsible and effective research. In this video, we'll delve into the key ethical guidelines that researchers must follow. Ethical research is fundamental to the integrity and quality of academic studies. It ensures that the rights and well-being of participants are protected. By adhering to ethical standards, researchers maintain public trust and credibility. Confidentiality is a cornerstone of ethical research practices. Researchers must protect personal data and ensure it is not disclosed without consent. This chapter explores the significance of confidentiality in maintaining participant trust.
Informed consent is vital for ethical research. Participants must be fully aware of the study's purpose and their role in it. This chapter explains how researchers should obtain and document informed consent.
The General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, has reshaped how personal data is handled in research. It emphasizes transparency and consent, safeguarding individuals' privacy. We'll discuss the impact of GDPR on research practices. Beneficence involves doing no harm to research participants. Researchers must prioritize the well-being of participants and minimize any potential risks. This chapter highlights the importance of beneficence in ethical research. Respecting participants' privacy is crucial in research. This involves safeguarding personal information and ensuring anonymity. Researchers must adhere to privacy laws and ethical standards.
Special care is needed when researching vulnerable populations. Researchers must ensure that these groups are protected from harm and exploitation. This chapter discusses the ethical considerations involved.
Anonymity protects participants' identities in research. It involves removing any identifying information from data. This chapter explores how anonymity is maintained in ethical research practices.
Voluntary participation is a key ethical principle. Participants should engage in research willingly without coercion. This chapter explains the importance of voluntary participation in maintaining ethical standards.
Researchers have a duty to avoid causing harm to participants. This involves assessing risks and taking steps to mitigate them. We'll explore strategies for ensuring participant safety. Transparency is essential for ethical research. Researchers must communicate their methods, findings, and intentions clearly. This chapter highlights the role of transparency in building trust.
Obtaining ethical approval is a critical step in research. It involves reviewing study protocols to ensure they meet ethical standards. This chapter explains the approval process and its significance.
Ethical committees oversee research proposals to ensure compliance with ethical guidelines. They play a vital role in protecting participants and maintaining research integrity. We'll discuss their responsibilities and functions.
Conflicts of interest can compromise research integrity. Researchers must disclose any potential conflicts and take steps to mitigate them. This chapter explores how to handle conflicts ethically.
Ethical lapses can have severe consequences for researchers and participants. They can lead to loss of trust, credibility, and legal repercussions. This chapter examines the impact of failing to adhere to ethical standards. Technology plays a significant role in modern research. It offers new opportunities and challenges for ethical considerations. This chapter explores how technology impacts research ethics.
Data sharing must be conducted ethically to protect participants. Researchers should follow guidelines to ensure data is shared responsibly. This chapter discusses best practices for ethical data sharing.
Research ethics is an evolving field. New challenges and considerations continue to emerge. This chapter looks at the future of ethical research and the ongoing need for vigilance.
Exploring ethical dilemmas. Case studies provide valuable insights into ethical dilemmas. This chapter highlights lessons learned from past studies. We'll examine real-world examples to understand the complexities of research ethics.
Innovation is crucial in research, but it must be balanced with ethical considerations. Researchers must navigate this balance to ensure responsible progress. This chapter explores the relationship between ethics and innovation. Nursing and midwifery research have unique ethical challenges. This chapter focuses on the specific ethical considerations in these fields. We'll discuss how researchers can uphold ethical standards in healthcare research. Research ethics is vital in ensuring the integrity of our work.
Training is essential for understanding and applying ethical principles. Researchers must be well-versed in ethical guidelines and practices. This chapter emphasizes the importance of training in ethical research.
In conclusion, ethical considerations are vital to the success and integrity of academic research. By adhering to ethical standards, researchers can protect participants and maintain public trust. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of research ethics.
Thank you for watching our video on ethical considerations in academic research. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Please feel free to reach out with any questions or comments.